Sir, dun sa issue ng quorum, ng conviction threshold, mas dumarami yung nagsasabi na baka dapat ibaba dahil hindi na nga 24 yung within the jurisdiction of
Well, my
power.
opinion, it's malinaw ang constitution, no? 3/4 of all members, so that's is 16. So in my opinion, we have to follow the constitution, no? And sorry, 2/3. Correction, 2/3 of all members, no? Very clear ang constitution dyan.
Pero pag-uusapan nyo yan, sir. Is the Senate Impeachment Court open to probably a motion para ibaba ang threshold?
Well, I cannot predict kung anong mga I cannot predict kung ano yung mga issues na lalabas doon, but as far as I'm concerned, I will uphold what is written in the Constitution.